Hello, my name is Marti, and I'm a senior software engineer here at Whereby. Today, I'd like to show you how you can configure your rooms so your users have the best experience possible. The easiest way to start configuring your rooms is by going into the admin dashboard, going into the configuration page, and then clicking on the features tab. Here, you have a selection of features that you can toggle on and off. For instance, you can disable the chat button if you're running an educational platform and you don't want your students to be talking to each other, but you can still allow the react button so that they can still show engagement to their teacher. This is the easiest way to do that, but we also support URL parameters, which allow you to configure a wide range of features in the rooms. If you go to our documentation page, you can see the list of the configuration parameters that we support, and then some use cases that we think are interesting for each of them. So now let's go into a Whereby room and test some of those. Here, I've configured a room for what it would be a classroom. I want I want students to not have distractions. So I've removed the top toolbar, the bottom toolbar, and I'm also setting the display name to my name so that I don't have to put it in every time I join the room. So once we go in, we can see that, yeah, you still have to accept your media controls, but once that's done, there's no top toolbar and there's no bottom toolbar, and my name is there. Another option that we support is skipping that step we saw where you have to select your camera and approve. So that's called pre-call review. If we're running an events platform and we want our users to go straight into the meeting room so they can start enjoying the content as soon as possible, we have that configuration available to us. So now when we go into the room, we can see that we go straight into it. We don't have to choose our camera and click join. Finally, we also support avatars. Probably your users are signed up into your platform. They have a profile with a picture. You can see by default, our avatars are just the initial of the display name. But once you use that parameter, here you can see the avatar URL. I'm using my own Slack image. We go in, you see that my profile picture is in there. And you can do that with all your users that have a profile picture set up. So yeah, that's some use cases for the configuration parameters that we have. Again, in our documentation page, you can see all of them. We keep listening to you and adding them as we hear from you. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to check out our other videos on different aspects of Whereby Embedded. And thank you again for listening.